Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got our Vellabox, so let's get in and see what kind of artisan candle we got. Vellabox is a monthly subscription and each month you will get a small batch artisan clean candle shipped directly to you, and they are candle makers across the USA. I love them. I burn candles constantly all over my house. I love knowing that these are clean. I will admit I do use other candles, but 95% of the time I am using Vellabox candles because I love knowing that they're clean. They don't use paraffins, phthalates, there's so much less toxin you're putting into the air. That is what the inside looks like. Each month you will receive a candle. They have 3 different sizes. I will put all of the information down below for you to click over. And this is sent to me for free, but because they send it over, we get a code, Catherine50, that will get you 50% off your first box. I am always blown away by that. I don't think I've ever done another box. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know that I have ever done another box that has given us 50% off. They come each month in these adorable canvas bags. They used to always just be plain white canvas, but now they're usually designed, and I love that. We will also have a bonus item. I suspect it's to do with that string that you just saw, and we will have a card that gives us a little information. Our bonus item is this, and it is a little macrame plant hanger. It has a $12 value, and it says add freshness and new life to your home for the spring. The macrame plant hanger is designed to hold a potted plant in the center and be hung from the ceiling or other sturdy structure, a charming addition to any indoor space with light. Kitchen, bathroom, sunroom, etc. Ideal for smaller pots with an 8 to 10 inch diameter. It's a great way to reuse your jars. Like once you've burned your candle down, you can reuse your jar to put a plant in to hang it. That's kind of cool. Let's see. Oh, so it's just, well, that one's lit. We'll put this one in here after we're finished with it. I'm not going to put that lit candle in here. This is just a nice wooden ring, and this is kind of a heavy string, just macrame, and it's a nice forest green. Let's see which scent candle we have and who it's by. When we take it out, this is the bag that it came in, and it's branded Vellabox. So cute, matches my nails nicely. When you sign up for this, you will fill out a survey, and they will find out like what flavors you like and what scents you like, and they will do all of the special magic that they do and send you each month the candle maker that they work with. I think there's usually 3 different flavors that they have. Scents, don't eat them. Scents that they have, and they pick the one that best suits your profile. So this month I received Agave, Sea of Roses. I suspect Sea of Roses is the maker and Agave is my scent. Sea of Roses founder Heather Smith is a florist, stylist, and overall creative. She has an extensive background including visual merchandising, photography, and accessory design for TV and print. However, in her most recent season of life, she is prioritizing building her small business while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. More than just candles, the Sea of Roses shop has florals, ceramics, prints, and other apothecary items. Everything is created in their studio space in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. All right, let's give this a sniff. And this is, of course, as you can see, it's one of the clear glassed ones with a golden lid. Sometimes they're clear, sometimes they are the brown. The color on the, like this one is a nice buttery yellow. The color can change on the labeling. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Oh, how perfect for spring. Oh, it's kind of just a light citrus, but also kind of floral, fresh. Kind of like if you're in one of the Bath and Body type shops, the ones that say they are like fresh ocean breeze, kind of that feel, much more classic. Yeah, other than what I've told you, I can't guess. You guys know I am horrible at guessing scents, and the vid that I had didn't help, but this is gorgeous. Absolutely, I'm blowing that out and starting this one. Not that that's not gorgeous, it's gorgeous. But it's more winter. This is like the epitome of what you want spring to smell like. This is floral, sweet, and spice. A blend of agave and cactus flower with a hint of honey at the end. A lovely fragrance to enjoy with the spring season and warmer weather. Sure, I don't get the honey. But again, you guys know I am just not great at scents. The front of it says cactus, sea salt, and jasmine. So sea salt explains that ocean breeze I was talking about, and jasmine is the floral, and it has cactus in it. So there's no citrus. I was making that part up. It's just really bright. It's just, it gives that same bright feel as kind of a citrus, but floral, and it's gorgeous. I just so wish I could be like, okay, all right, guys, sniff deep, make it work. I know, we need smell-o-vision. And I will love burning this down to the last drop, knowing that I'm not putting any of the ickies into the air. I mean, I should enjoy doing that just for me, but it means so much more for me. If you're around the channel, you know I have 4 beautiful granddaughters, and I just love knowing that I'm not putting the toxins in the air, especially when they're here or when they're coming over, which is frequently. Yay. It's been a while since I've just given the general information, so let me tell you, every candle is natural and clean burning, made with 100% natural wax, phthalate-free fragrance, cotton wicks, and always dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan. So those are the things that I love. That is this month's candle. It smells delightful. Not going far with it because it's going back there as soon as we're done with this. Oh, you know what? Let's put it in here. Let's see if I can pull this off. Oh my goodness. Okay, so in theory it's going to hang from that. I am old enough to remember when macrame was really popular the first time. I think my mom even took a macrame class, if I'm remembering correctly. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? I wish you could do it while you're burning. You absolutely cannot. This is string, this is wood, this is fire. Don't do it with an active candle. But once you've finished one of your candles, you could put water in it and like a philodendron starter and hang it somewhere. Very vintage and cool looking. I like that it's littler. They're usually so long and huge. Personally, I would probably lose about half the tassel. That's my own personal opinion. Love it. All right, guys, thanks for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here and share this with me. I will put the link and my code Catherine50 below. We'll get you 50% off your first box. And I hope I see you again really soon. Bye, guys.